everybody, welcome to my introverted life. I'm Wendy, and this is the second project of this year's Whip Mania. And I'm just on here really quick so I can show you what is just gonna be the biggest surprise. Okay, you're not gonna be that surprised. This is me we're talking about. But, second project. Pretty Ada. Ta-da! Okay, yes. This was not in my original plans. I completely forgot I hadn't started this yet. I just barely got this pattern for Christmas. And I just suddenly remembered it and was like, oh my gosh, I want to bring it out. It's Whip Mania. It's wee Whip Mania. Stitch what you want when you want Whip Mania. So, guess it's not stitch what, start what you want. Haha. Wee. In a whole new light. Stitch what you want when you want. Start what you want when you want. Heck yeah, I'm down. But yeah, I remember this was here. So, gotta do it. Gotta do it. Started watching Doctor Who. I know this isn't technically Doctor Who, but it's so blatantly inspired by. It's a good version Missy character. But yes, so getting started on that, and I will be back in a sec to show you my progress. Okay, doing a quick update on my Women Who Behave cross stitch for the month. I have, as you see, got school done. I'm probably going to work on my time traveler piece a little bit more, possibly tonight, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, but I wanted to do this update real quick because I'm not going to be working on it for a couple of days, unfortunately. It's a little cloudy. It's supposed to be a little cloudy for a few days. It's just hard to work on this without the sun, like direct sunlight. It's me and my eyes. I'm getting old. Even with my stupid reading glasses that I use, it's still a little hard to see. But yeah, I woke up to it snowing today, so you know, middle of May, snow. Yeah, welcome to Colorado. This is unfortunately not unusual, but there's all done. This is probably the most time-consuming part. Ribbon, I bet, will go through pretty easily. There's hardly any back stitch on it. It's just following a couple lines. And then this will take a little bit longer, but it still doesn't take a huge amount of time. So I think I'll probably be able to finish this month, which will be crazy because I do not finish cross stitches quickly. I most definitely do not. But yeah, wanted you to see this weekish update on this, because I'm going to set it off aside somewhere out of the way for a couple of days till we get the sun back. When the sun comes back, I'll pull it back out and work on it again. Because, like, I mean, it looks all nice right now. I have a lamp on, and the camera on this sucker isn't too bad, like, for sure. It very much tends to autocorrect the lighting fairly decently, as long as you got some sort of actual like light source and a little bit of sun. It's cloudy right now, but there's a little bit of sun coming in behind me, so that helps. But yeah, like I said, I'll work on the time traveler today. I have been focusing on like eBay and Etsy. Etsy's kind of slow at the moment, so I've switched over to focusing on eBay. I got in some cross stitch patterns. This is just some of them, but you know, like old leaflets and Cricket collection and Margaret and Margaret, and then there's some really cute Stony Creeks. Like, they've got some really cute designs. I should do a couple of Stony Creeks or something. That is cute. I like that one. Anywho, you know, books like this. Just going into my eBay. A couple Thomas Kincaids. Don't need to buy the kit. Book 2 and 3. You know, just a Christmassy one that I thought was cute. There's another couple of designs on the back that are just like super cute. The horse is cool. I like horses. The horse is cool. A couple marriage samplers. And this is just the first few I grabbed to put up probably today, so they should be up when when this goes up on YouTube. And some more. I got like 30 or 40 patterns, so those will all be up. That's what I'm doing to keep myself entertained today. Working. I've got to finish a couple of grime guards. See, there's grime guards sitting there. I gotta sew so that those can go out. And yeah, that's just it for the update for this one. I'll be back in a sec with the update on Time Traveler. And here we are. I was gonna work on this last night, but I actually was not able to. Just, you know, life. But I got a fairly decent start, I think, just for being able to put in a little amount of time over the past few days. This is right in here. Got a little bit of things. There's a couple little colors for this guy, you know. But it's right in all of there, so. But I'm excited about it. Like, looking forward. There's a few holes here, of course, that will be beads. And then, as you see, the thing here, most is filled in, but some of it has Krynic that I have not got to. It uses, I believe it's this Krynic here. Might be another. There's 3 different colors of Krynic that are used. So, I think it's more like, sorry, had to move it up. The Krynic goes in there. So, yeah. But that is it for this one, and I'll be moving on to the next one. Not sure which one I'm going to do. Can't decide. Yeah, just can't decide. So, anywho, we'll leave that here. And feel free to like, comment, subscribe, do all the fun things. And yeah, I don't have anything to talk about, sorry. That's what I got done, okay? So that'll be it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!